Hello, today is April 22 and this is my fourth video on learning how to code with Python. Emotions on the project are almost the same as before, of excitement, but a bit of frustration right now that the hard part has set in, which includes the else statement, which I haven't completely mastered, and the if statement. So I'm trying to practice how to better make these statements because sometimes I don't understand what to write in the else statement, and sometimes I don't understand this, but overall it's still excitement, just a bit of frustration on the solving the else and if statements. That I've had, as I mentioned before, is running the if and else statements, but that's not the only thing that's kind of complicated for me right now. Also, how to do comparisons sometimes gets me in a bit of trouble, since doing these signs can be hard, and if you press a button or something, all your code will be wrong. So I've had a bit of complications with that, but mostly it's been pretty straightforward, and I think I'll keep progressing and trying to better do the code and better practice the statements and all the stuff that's complicated right now, so I can make better code next time. In other videos, the source I've used to code and to learn how to code has been Codecademy, and as always I say this is the best one I found. I have looked for more, but the other ones aren't as good. I have also found this REPL.it, which is another site that lets you freely code, which I can use to check if my code is correct. Sometimes I don't want to use the Codecademy one because it will give you hints and stuff, and sometimes I want to figure it out by myself if I got it wrong, because it won't tell me as much as what I did wrong, and it will just basically tell me to fix it, which is pretty cool. Of what I mastered would be this lesson, since I haven't completely mastered all the if and else statements. And this lesson, what it basically is wanted to tell you is write a basic if statement, and what it says if 20 equals 20, then it returns something. This something can be whatever you want it to be. It can be success number one, which is what Codecademy uses. It can be whatever, hello, and number two as well. If this equals this, and then this will return something, whatever. It will return whatever you say if this is true. So this is basically all that I've actually mastered, since the else statements are kind of hard for me to do right now. And I'm trying to also understand the else and if statements, which is elif, and it's cost me a bit of time to comprehend them, but right now the most I've got is doing this, returning something after you do something else.